Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Many newcomers, when they start the AC circuit analysis, they have problem converting polar to rectangular and rectangular to polar. So in this short video, I'll try to explain that, how we can convert from polar to rectangular and rectangular to polar with the help of a calculator. So if you don't have a smart calculator, normal calculator, we'll follow the procedure as highlighted here. This is an Casio FX991 calculator, and in this, if you see, there is a shift key at the top left. Now this shift key has shift written in yellow colors. That means everything written in yellow here. To get that, we have to press this shift key. For example, if you want to get this comma, then we'll press this shift key, and then we'll press this bracket key to get comma. And similarly, to convert polar, we have to press the shift key from there, and then we have to press plus sign. And to get rectangular, we have to press minus sign. So let's see an example. We want to convert 3 plus j4, which is in rectangular form. 3 is x and 4 is y. We have to convert this into polar form. So let's go on to the calculator. We press the shift key. So shift key, and then we come and press the polar or the positive sign. So press the polar key, and now you can see it is written polar and asking for the value. So our first value is 3, so we'll press 3, and now we need, instead of plus j, we have to press comma. So again, for comma, we go to the shift key, and the bracket sign has comma, so we'll press this one. So we're getting comma here, and now we'll press 4, and we close the bracket, and we press the equal sign. So our answer is R is 5 and theta is 53.13. So we'll write now, we'll write 5, this is R, and angle 53.13. So this is R and this is theta. So this is in polar form. Now let's see, we want to convert this polar into rectangular, 10, 53.13. So we'll follow the same procedure. We go to the calculator, we press the shift key, and we press rectangular. So now it is asking for value. Our value is 10, angle 53.13. So we'll write 10, comma. So comma again, we go to the shift key and press the bracket sign. This one, we get comma. Now we'll write 53.13, 53.13, close the bracket and press equal sign. So we get the answer. Now it is saying that x is 6.0001429. So we'll just write here 6, and then we'll write, we'll see the other value. Now the other value is y, not visible, so we'll press this button, which is this one here. So we press this and we keep moving towards the right. So y is 7.999, that means y is 8, and since there is no negative sign, that means it is positive sign. So we'll write here positive J8. So this is how you convert from polar to rectangular and rectangular to polar. And if there is a negative sign, we just use that value, negative sign. So I hope this gives you an understanding as to how to use your calculator to find rectangular to polar and polar to rectangular. Thank you.